If your paintings don't look the way you imagined, you might be making these common beginner mistakes. Using too much paint. Using too much paint can make artwork look messy and uneven. Start with thin layers first. Dirty brushes. Not cleaning brushes properly can mix unwanted colors and ruin smooth painting. Overmixing colors. Mixing too many colors together often creates muddy looking paint. Keep color combinations simple. Rushing layers. Painting over wet layers too quickly can smudge colors and details. Allow paint to dry before adding more. Ignoring lighting. Without highlights and shadows, paintings can look flat. Simple lighting adds depth and realism. Fear of mistakes. Every artist makes mistakes while learning. Practice is the key to improvement. Which painting mistake do you make the most? Subscribe for more painting tips and art videos.